What's up, guys? Today we're keeping it 100. No fluff, no fairy tales. If you've ever looked into binary options, you've probably heard stuff like, it's just a casino, brokers are scammers, charts are fake, you can't withdraw your money. Does it sound familiar to you? Let's break it down. What's real and what's just noise? I'll also tell you why I personally trade on Pocket Option and why I'm still here making moves. Check the description. My Telegram channels are there. That's where I drop real signals, trade setups, strategies, and straight answers to every question. Let's get into it. Myth number 1. Binary options are just gambling. Yeah, I've heard that 100 times. But let's break it down. Gambling is when everything depends on pure luck. No data, no tools, no control. Binary trading, it's the complete opposite of it. You're working with technical analysis, real strategies, precise timing. You choose when to enter, on what time frame, with what confirmation. Personally, I use a combo of indicators, resistance levels, and volume zones. That's not guessing, that's calculated. In a casino, learning doesn't increase your odds. Here, it does. That's the key difference. Myth number 2. You can't earn consistently with binary options. That's what every newbie says before they even try doing it the right way. If you're dropping $20 and going all in, hoping for a miracle, yeah, you'll blow your account. But if you treat this like a business, track win rates, journal your trades, stick to solid risk management, then yes, you can grow consistently. Some of my students only follow 35 signals per day and double their accounts in a week. Not because they got lucky, but because they follow the rules. If this was impossible, how do you explain the fact that I've been trading for years? Myth number 3. They rig the charts. This is every rookie's favorite excuse. My candle closes 1 pip higher. Sure, that can happen, but here's the real deal. Pocket Option uses quotes from licensed liquidity providers. Open it side by side with any legit broker. The charts match. If there's a difference, it's milliseconds. That's called a data stream delay, not chart manipulation. The platforms are licensed. You can verify it on their side. 7 years in the game and millions of users. You think a scam would survive that long? Myth number 4. You can't withdraw your money. Classic myth. People are scared the platform won't let them cash out, especially if they're in profit. But reality is different. I withdraw regularly. Usually funds hit my card, crypto wallet or e-wallet within 12 to 24 hours. Weekends might take a bit longer, but the money always lands. If withdrawals didn't work, trust me, the internet would be flooded with complaints. But Pocket's still going strong. Why? Because it's in their interest to keep traders active. So why did I choose Pocket Option? Now that we have crushed the myths, here's why I picked Pocket Option and why I'm still with them. Over 7 years in the market. It launched in 2017, and if it was a scam, it wouldn't survive a year, let alone grow, update, launch tournaments, and attract millions of traders. Clear fees and no hidden BS. No charges on deposits or withdrawals. They earn from trading volume, and they've always been upfront about it. That's why they want you to stay. They give bonuses, education, signals, and analytics. They're not trading against you, they're growing with you. 24/7 support plus bonuses. Got issues? Support replies even at night. Plus regular tournaments where you can win bonuses or actual cash just for being active. Full platform access anytime, anywhere. They have a mobile app on iOS, Android, and browser version as well. It's fast, simple, clean. Even if you're brand new, you'll get in within 10 minutes. Community and learning. I'm not alone in this. We've built a real trader community in Telegram. People share setups, logic, and experiences. You can always ask, learn, grow. You're not doing this solo, and that matters. Look, there are tons of myths out there, but most of them come from people who've never even tried. If you're on the fence, test it yourself. Open a demo account. Talk to support. Jump into my Telegram. Watch the trades, the breakdowns, the signals. It's all real. Don't trust the noise. Trust the results. Links in the description. Start learning for real and don't let fear steal your shot. Look, there are tons of myths out there, but most of them come from people who've never ever tried. If you're still on the fence about it, test it yourself. Open a demo account. Talk to support. Jump into my Telegram. Watch the trades, the breakdowns, and the signals. It's all real. Don't trust the noise, trust the results. Link in the description. Start learning for real and don't let fear steal your shorts.